Hey friends, if you encounter the error DirectX failed to initialize on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reinstall Microsoft DirectX redistributable. So copy this and then open any browser, paste it, or rather just search for Microsoft DirectX redistributable. Okay, so you will find this option here, download DirectX N time runware installer. Click on this one and then select the language and click on download, and then click on open and click on yes, and then select the agreement, click on next, and it will start installing the setup. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Driver and then update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.